Natural gas once again stayed bearish and it has breached the $3 levels. It has gone towards 2.92 before closing the week at 2.98 levels. Now what to expect next week? Can we expect it to crash further, or is it the bottom for net gas? Can we expect it to reverse from the current levels? Which position you should take trading gas next week? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Like you can see the stochastic coming to oversold levels, while MACD after retracing here now is on the verge of a crossover for a selling entry. So which position you should take, we will see. Towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy. Watch till the end. If you're new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. I do release my daily targets for net gas with the Asia and Europe session. Do watch that as well. Let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. See, on the 4-hour chart, first of all, gas for last multiple candles has stayed in a sideways but a slightly bearish zone where one can see lower highs, lower lows here. So yes, after the sharp drop, it is traded in this sideways zone here. Now 2.9, 3.1 is the zone where we are seeing gas position itself. Also, if you see now 2.95, 2.95 has become a stronger support zone with which it has seen a rise. Now I will wait for net gas any point of time to stay above 3.1. Any rise above 3.1 should be a good sign that it is trying to rise, and then the next resistance zone is only at 3.3, 3.4. Any point of time in the coming week or in the coming weeks, if gas stays above 3.3, 3.4, just stay bullish. You are going to look forward to a massive reversal from those levels. But right now it is not showing any such signs. Remember this fact. Now if you look at the moving averages, these are trading with divergence and bearishness. The stochastic coming to oversold levels, it is trying to recover a bit, while the MACD, now see, MACD has formed a double bottom here, and after forming the double bottom, it is trying to rise. It has converged a bit, but I will expect a further rise from these levels. RSI is rising as well. Coming to the daily charts, now look at the daily chart. Same observation: lower highs, lower lows, and after couple of retracements, see, first of all, bearish move here, couple of retracement, double top here, first red candle. Does it, and lower low, does it suggest that unless and until 3.1 levels are not taken on the upside, we should not expect a reversal in the gas prices? Also, if you look at the moving average, now the 20 and 50 period moving average are sitting at 3.18, 3.2 levels and have just crossed over. This is a bearish cross. This is something you should watch out more carefully, which makes even if it rises beyond 3.1, first resistance at 3.182 or 3.2 is a greater one, and then 3.4 levels. Now daily stochastic has also hit a bottom here, double bottom levels, trying to rise, but lower highs are seen. So I will wait for it to give a clear-cut breakout. Now look at the MACD. MACD, after staying a bullish, it has seen a very strong bearish move. It is still divergent and it is still bearish. We have to wait for it to converge, crossover, because this crossover can only bring the bullishness. Right now it is not showing any signs here on the MACD of bullishness. RSI is also looking downwards, trying to stay bearish. Now coming to the weekly charts, this is the third straight bearish candle. Just notice the last two candles here. First, the last candle with a flat top and a lower wick on the downside, and a tail on the downside, rather I should say, with the lower lows formation. The preceding candle has a bigger wick on the upside, and it has shown a very smaller body. So preceding candle has a bearish push. Right now we can see a support here, and this also makes now 3.1 as a greater resistance zone, because beyond 3.1 it can possibly show a recovery towards 3.3, 3.4 levels. There is a strong probability to it. Now if you notice the weekly charts, the moving averages are again starting to diverge. After the sharp drop, the gas prices is shown a retracement, but even if you see the prices here, it has hit a bottom of this channel in which it was trading since last multiple months. Yes, it has hit a bottom. So only if you see natural gas prices staying below 2.8, you can say that it is going to crash further. Now below 2.8 levels is where bears will try to take over, and we can look forward to 2.5, 2.4 levels. But right now it is just staying in this channel, and it is giving higher lows, higher highs here. So possibly this could be the bottom which was uh, net gas searching for, and from these levels a rise can be expected. The upside, you have to watch out more carefully at around 3.1 how it behaves. Now look at the stochastic. The weekly stochastic has hit a oversold levels, and in the recent past, see, yes, when it hits an oversold levels, it stays there for a while when it was extremely bearish. But right now it is at a comfortable zone. So possibly from these levels, the recovery in net gas can be expected. Now see the on the MACD, after staying bearish here for multiple weeks, net gas has retraced. The slope here and here is different, definitely. This suggests that the bearish momentum was stronger. The reversal or retracement is slightly gradual. Now what has happened, it was trading parallel so far. After a long time, it is now starting to converge. It has not yet crossed over. It has just shown signs of conversion. This was also required, as if it has to diverge, it has to show stronger momentum from here. It has to converge a bit before looking forward to a rise. RSI has also dropped a bit. Now coming to the monthly chart. On the monthly charts, this candle is important. It has erased all the gains from the preceding month. Right now it has almost formed a double bottom or a higher lows, and it can possibly close beyond or above the closing of the preceding or opening of the preceding candle, which suggests that we may see it closing above 3.05 levels. But remember, the rise is only recommended in the coming month also if you see it staying beyond 3.1 and then 3.4 zone. Now why in the coming month also these levels will hold good? See, the preceding candle is a sharper red candle. This zone is more than 50% of the levels of the preceding candle. Thus what we can see here is higher lows, lower highs, and it can consolidate in the coming month, where we can see a possible reversal or a greener candle. Now notice the rise here. See, first of all, after the drop, it has seen a retracement. Also, if you notice this, still gas is giving higher lows, higher highs. Thus the possibility for it to rise again coming month exists. Also, the moving averages on the upside, the 20, 50, 100 are crossing over here at 3.7, 3.9 zone, which is a greater resistance zone. And on the monthly charts, this is a bearish cross between the 20 and 50 period moving average. Thus we have to be watchful in the coming month. Even if it tries to rise, these levels are going to stay strong. And for the coming week, as we have discussed here, 3.1 levels are critical, and in fact 3.4 the next critical level here. Now look at the monthly stochastic. See, it has come to overbought levels. This candle should certainly bring it to a comfortable. Now look at MACD. See, MACD is one thing which is traded with sharp bearishness here so far on the monthly charts. A strong bearish momentum was seen. Now this is the time for it to cross over. It tried to converge, but it has not yet crossed over because we have seen one red candle here. It is starting to diverge. I will wait for where this candle closes. Possibly this could be the bringing of the crossover, and then once this crosses over, we can see the bullish moves here. In RSI is almost flat here. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy for. And before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. 28th batch registrations are open. The details related to the batch you can find on my platform www.forexfunda.com, or you can email me or telegram me for more details. Now remember, learning is the only investment which can reap the profits to you throughout your life. So do not miss this opportunity. Also, you can be part of my signals channel, where trading as per the signals you can definitely benefit. So now first let's talk about the levels to. And yes, the platform forexfunda.com not only has the details related to the batch, but it has much more to offer, be it the breaking news from across the globe or the economic calendar where the live data gets updated. And yes, the live charts for any instrument which is getting traded across the globe is available there. Thus you can do your charting, you can do your analysis, and you can also schedule a call with me if you find yourself stuck in any position or you're looking forward to any guidance for the future. You can schedule a call with me. Do visit the platform forexfunda.com. It has also got a vibrant community of traders. Now at 3.00, if you are buying, remember 3.02 3.05. This is the first bigger hurdles which gas needs to pass by, and then 3.1 levels. If these three levels are taken, you can say that the bulls will try to take over, and we are looking forward to 3.18, 3.2 as the next resistance zone. Staying beyond 3.3, 3.4 is where the bulls will try to take over. So now we have got the key levels. You can buy here at 3. Be careful of 3.0 to 3.05 zone, first resistance. If it breaks past by 3.05, we can look forward to 3.1, the first and stronger resistance there. Then the strongest resistance in between 3.18, 3.2, and the reversal levels. This is the level 3.3, 3.4. Beyond this, you can say that the gas prices have reversed and a rally is waiting ahead of us. Now on the downside, because see, we have seen it swinging, we can expect a possible drop. If you see it is staying below 2.94, we can expect a drop from there for 2.9 to 2.9. First support zone is staying below 2.9. We can look forward to 2.86, 2.8 levels. Now this is the next support levels here. And if you see price is staying below 2.8, there is no other option but to stay short. We are looking forward to 2.6, 2.48 levels here, which are the next support levels. Be careful, we can possibly expect a bounce back or a recovery, specifically staying above 3.1. Certainly bulls will try to take over, and then if it by any means, if it stays beyond 3.4, you can say that this is the complete reversal. Thus take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. Do watch the daily updates on Netgas as well. Join my free Telegram channel for live updates and signals channel for trading as per the signals. Thank you very much. All the links are there in the channel and video description. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.